if somebody wrote a screenplay about the grandson of Deanna Vreeland becoming a Buddhist and saying no to all artifice, all fluffy surface, I think somebody might read it and say, this is too obvious. And yet that's what happened.
I was taught to always have a handkerchief in the pocket of my jacket. My father taught me that. I'm sure that his father taught him.
He had the most impeccable taste. And it was unusual taste, and it was a little bit flamboyant.
He was the boyfriend of the most glamorous women, and everybody loved Nicky. But somewhere Nicky was not connected to that very glamorous life. He did not buy into it.
I thought I would be a photographer. From the age of 13, had this passion for photography that nothing else really seemed to take me away from. I was totally engrossed, immersed in my studies, and any interruption seemed wrong, as if it was keeping me from this pursuit of enlightenment even.
One day, one of his teachers called him over, and he went, calm down. This is work.
He lived 14 years straight in his monastery, and the pictures in those years were amazing.
You don't produce art without some kind of ego gratification. It sneaks in there somehow, which of course in the Tibetan discipline is not encouraged. It's the ultimate conflict for somebody like Nicky, the absolute ultimate conflict.
He's come back to photography. He obviously loves it, but it's always with this kind of don't get, it's like this thing is going to pull you in.
I kept trying to give it up. I kept trying to not have it be part of my life. And interestingly, it was the fact that I continued to take pictures that enabled the monastery to be built. Look here.
And it's a slow exposure, and...
Right, we're gonna do another without any smile.
Can't hit on.